Hi, welcome to live.sofiabulous. I hope you are all doing well. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe it and hit the bell icon to never miss a video. Have you ever heard making veg chow mein from spaghetti pasta? No? Then this is the right video for you. The quality and taste of your veg chow mein will increase because we use spaghetti pasta in it. So without wasting our time, let's jump to the recipe. Boil spaghetti pasta with salt and after boiling it, add oil to it so they don't stick together. In the pan, add oil, add cabbage, spring onion head, carrots, capsicum, salt to taste, half spoon pepper, 1 spoon red chili powder. Mix it well. Add soya sauce, green chili sauce, 1 spoon vinegar. Add pasta. Lastly, add spring onion and tomato sauce and mix it well. Written recipe link in the description below. Looked amazing, right? It tastes amazing too. Do try it at home and let me know in the comments below.